If there were no background noise, this is how the AirPods 4 would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's no background noise. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a baby crying. This is how the AirPods 4 microphone would perform.
Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a loud baby crying.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Dogs barking with the microphone.
Testing 1, 2, 3. There's dogs barking.
There were coffee shop noises going on. So it sounds like.
Testing 1, 2, 3. There's coffee shop noises playing.
There was how the microphone would sound like.
Testing 1, 2, 3. There's traffic noises playing.
If you're next to a loud blender, what would it sound like?
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is how the AirPods 4 would sound like
right next to a blender. If there was a fan blowing, that's what it would sound like on the AirPods 4.
Testing 1, 2, 3. There is a fan blowing on the microphones.
Testing 1, 2, 3. If you were typing on a keyboard, this is what it would sound like.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Typing on a keyboard.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Before we get into the other microphone comparisons, I just wanted to let you know, if you didn't already, Headset Advisor is a reseller for business headsets within the United States. So if you're someone on calls and meetings for a living and you want help selecting the best headset for your specific needs, contact us today and we can help you save a ton of time and hassle it takes researching all these different headsets. Plus, you'd be helping to support a family-owned business. Now let's get back to it. If you had a coworker talking right next to you, this is what the microphone would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a coworker talking next to me. Testing 1, 2, 3. In comparison, if you had a coworker talking right next to you and you had voice isolation turned on your iPhone, this is how the AirPods microphone would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Coworker talking. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you had a coworker talking behind you with voice isolation mode turned on your iPhone, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. There's a coworker talking behind me. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you were in a car with the AirPods 4 with the air conditioning turned all the way up, this is what it would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm in a car with the AirPods 4 and the air conditioning turned all the way up. If you were next to a loud engine or something comparable, this is how the earbuds would sound like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Next to a loud car engine. Testing 1, 2, 3. If you were outside on a walk, this is how the microphone would sound like if there was a few cars driving by. On a relatively quiet day without much wind. Now that you heard the different microphone comparisons, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Overall, if you strictly use an iPhone for your personal use as well as your business calls and meetings, AirPods aren't a bad way to go. But for everyone else that's using different devices like Windows desktops, laptops, and desk phones, AirPods really aren't the best way to go, and there's much better alternatives that are gonna give you a better experience. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like as that helps support our company, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos like this in the future.